this is the finished product. It looks so organized. Very, very nice. As you can see, I put the milk and the juices down there. The bread and the yogurt and other small things with the Brita. And on top, all the fruits and the eggs and tofu. And on that side, it's all the Capri Suns. Yep. I think it looks great. I also organized the door. It looks much better. I'm all sweaty. I've been carrying 2 bags of shopping groceries. They weigh like 50 pounds. Anyways, I'm organizing the fridge, so hopefully make some progress today. The kitchen is so messy.
What is?
The kitchen. I'm gonna organize a little bit because I'm gonna be too lazy to do it in the morning. Oh yeah, look at the difference. Much cleaner. I'm almost